How to update email account password on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to update email account password on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Gmail app on your device. Sign in through the account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings. After that, you have to select your email account and then tap Manage your account at top of the screen. Once you select Manage your account, you will get access to this Google account section where at the top you will see a bunch of options. Simply scroll down and then select Personal Info option. Scroll down and locate Password option. Simply you need to open Password section and then you have to enter your password. After that, select the Next button and then you can easily enter a new password and then update it on your device. So that is how we can easily update email account password on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.